My name is Daniel Lewis. I'm 45 years old, and last year I lost my job of 20 years. At first, I felt broken. I didn't know who I was without my work, but one morning I decided to start over. I began learning photography, something I always loved but never had time for. Today, I spend my days exploring the city, taking pictures of moments people usually ignore. Losing my job was painful, but it also opened a new door for me.
15 years, I have lived alone in a quiet apartment in Chicago. Every morning, I sit by the same window holding a warm cup of tea, watching the city wake up cars pass, people rush to work, and birds rest on the balcony rail. I don't speak much to anyone these days, but this window has become my companion. Through it, I remember my late husband, my children who moved away, and all the years that passed so quickly. Sometimes watching the world helps me feel less alone.